how to stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. So what we'll simply do is open our Snapchat, and then after opening our Snapchat, we can simply click on any friends here, and here I'm clicking my friends, and then we'll go on their profile, and then as we can see that there's a lot of saved in chats. So how can we prevent is we can simply click on the three dots and we'll click on chats and notification settings, and then after clicking on chat and notification setting, we'll see delete chats option right there, and so we'll simply click on delete chat, and then we'll see an option of after viewing. So we'll click on after viewing so that our snap will be deleted right after viewing, and then we can simply click on done. Then this is the first way for stopping someone from saving your snap. Then the second way is what we can do is when we are sending a snap, here I am clicking a snap right here, we can simply see watch area in the bottom line, and then we can simply, there it is set on no limit, so we can simply set on however time you like after sending a snap, people can only view your snap for however like seconds you set for. Here I can like set for 5 seconds or 4 seconds or any seconds that we like, so I set it for 5. And after sending this snap, only the person can view it for like 5 seconds, and then the snap will be deleted itself. So yeah, the same goes to your video snap. So here I'm clicking a video snap, and after here you can see that after clicking a video snap, what we can simply do is we can simply see the same option right in below. So we can see a snap timer right there. So if we long press the timer for a bit, then we will be able to see so that the person can only view your snap for 1